Well guys, let's go fishing. We're going fishing. We're throwing some new stuff. There's a peek. Pretty sweet. I don't know where we're going. I just got off work. We'll figure it out. But yeah, I'll pick up the camera again once we get here. Oh, what am I doing? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Midwest Launch Mob. My name's Matt. You guys are the mob. All right, you know the rest. Let's go. All right, so the plan is I'm gonna grab one bait out of the monster bass box and go fishing with it. And I think right now, all right, I guess I'll grab two technically. We're going with the stick bait, and then this says for wacky rigging, but they're just a straight shank hook. And so I'm just gonna fish the wacky rig, and hopefully we'll catch some fish. So if you haven't heard of Monster Bass yet, heard any of the hype about them, they are a subscription box that's just doing it a little better in my opinion. I'll leave them linked below. You can check them out. I'm not affiliated with them. I just like what they're doing, what they're trying to do. Yeah, just their whole kind of mission statement, if you will. So we're gonna go catch some fish on a bait from the box. And I'm grabbing the wacky rig number one because the pond I'm at is pretty weedy. It's weedy, and so the night rig's not gonna work. It's like 50 degrees right now. I don't think the buzz bait's gonna work. I'm cold. I'm wearing shorts like a dummy. I got a jacket on and shorts. I thought I'd be fine. If it wasn't windy, I probably would be, but it's kind of chilly out here. All right, what do I need? I got my hooks, I got my bait. Monster bass, let's do it. Oh, it's freaking cold, man. Little guy. That's not what we want, but it's what I expect throwing a wacky rig. Little guy. But I also know wacky rig can catch some big fish. Yeah, it catches a lot of small ones, but you can catch some big ones too. Damn, I don't know where these fish are at. I figured they'd be over here for sure, for sure. Got him. Ooh, that might be a good fish. I think it is a good fish, you guys. He's fighting. I don't think he's a giant. Oh, he's not bad at all. We'll take him on the wacky rig from the Monster Bass box. Oh yeah. Dude, this might be close to, how big is this fish? Oh man, look at how fat that belly is. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that belly. Holy crap. That is the biggest belly I've ever seen. Holy crap. He's probably 4 pounds, 4.25. I don't even know that belly. He's heavier than he should be lengthwise, that's for damn sure. What is even, oh man, you can feel like bluegills or something. Look at that. Oh, I can like cup it. I can freaking cup this belly. That's tripping me out. That's a big fish, you guys. Good hook too. That was definitely a good hook. That is a fat pre-spawn bass. Oh my God. Huge. Ginormous. Sweet. Look, the monster bass, the bait's in the box coming through. God, that's a big fish. Look at that thing. Holy crap. See you later, girl. That thing was well over 4 pounds. It was probably pushing 5. It had the body, it had the body of like a 3.5, 3 3/4, but it was 4.5 all day. On the wacky rig, boys. We went from little dinky dink to big tanky tank. Damn, I lost my worm though. I'm down to 2 worms. Uh-oh. Man, I don't know. The smart bait came through. That's for sure. In the rain. In the rain. Maybe we'll catch him. That'd be cool. Oh God. There's the rain, boys. There's the rain. Oh God. Well, fuck it. We're out here, right? Oh God, that was lightning though. I don't like that. Yeah, it's raining. My ass is getting wet. Oh God. Oh God. TV timeout, boys. Well, you gotta love getting rained out. Yeah, it's raining. It's cold. But hey, we caught a good one. So yeah, I literally put that. I knew if I put the freaking stick bait on it and wacky rigged it, that I was gonna catch some fish. Obviously, I mean, it catches fish. But I didn't know that I was gonna go out and catch a good fish. So that was awesome, and that bait came out of my Monster Bass subscription box. So pretty cool. There's some awesome other baits in there. It came with the Ned rig, came with a pretty cool looking blue yacht buzzbait that I haven't seen before. That thing looks pretty sweet. Yeah, I'll pop a card up so you guys can check that out if you want, see what all I got in the box. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'm sorry I missed a couple uploads. It was a bold statement saying that I'm gonna upload every day for the rest of the month. It's hard. It's hard when you work full-time jobs and everything. It's hard when fish don't cooperate and stuff like that. Like, I don't know. So hopefully I'll get ahead of schedule to where if I have a bad day or two, like I still have an upload. You know what I mean? But anyways, thank you for watching. It's raining. It sucks. But we caught one, so yeah. Appreciate you guys. Check you on the next one. Peace.